Hello and welcome to this follow-up video to the Bachmann Split Chassis V2 service guide. As you will soon see, the V2 now runs really well, certainly as good as any modern offerings despite being 22 years old. Instead of adding real sounds or music, I'm just going to let you hear the sounds of the models, albeit slightly enhanced. The 4844 COLDSTREAMER was new on the 18th of May 1939 and allocated to New England Depot. She was named on the 20th of June 1939 when she was also allocated to King's Cross Depot, London. She was withdrawn on the 29th of December 1962. The V2s were the LNER's most famous mixed traffic design, and they were one of Gresley's most successful locomotive types. The first of the initial batch of 5 Doncaster-built V2s was numbered 4771, which emerged in June 1936 and was promptly named Green Arrow, after the express freight service for which the locomotives had been built. This ran between King's Cross and Aberdeen. A total of 184 V2s in 11 batches were built between 1936 and 1944. The locomotives were very powerful, with 33,730 pounds of tractive effort available and a good turn speed. During World War II, the V2s worked many heavy passenger trains. They did this well, although there were a number of incidents with the lead pony truck. Again, during World War II, maintenance of both track and locomotives had suffered. The double swing link mechanism in the pony truck tended to suffer from wear of the pins and insufficient lubrication. 1946 saw a series of V2 accidents involving derailments, and often caused by excessive speed. Common to all these accidents, however, was the poor condition of the track, and it was conceded that Gresley's double swing link pony truck design was very sensitive to poor track. Pioneer V2, number 4471 or 60800, Green Arrow, has been preserved as part of the National Collection.